round number 1, Ariel Leganon versus Mark Itaas. Mark Itaas, yung naka-yellow na trunks. And red. And Ariel Leganon. Like what I said, Mark Itaas is also boxing. And it recently joined an amateur boxing event. Now he's here at an MMA. Really practicing a lot of craft, and they start fast and furious here at Valiant MMA BFC. Road to championship number 4. Mark Itaas was able to took that heavy kick to the right gut very well. Still looking like his focus here. Oh, another one. Switching stance for Ariel Leganon. Now he's on the southpaw position. Oh, nice one. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Mark Itaas. Smile for the camera. Mark! What, man? That boxing is paying off. That respect to the fight. He's out. He is out. Pare si Mark, ano yan, nag-amateur boxing yan. Nung ilang linggo lang nag-boxing yan eh. Tapos nag-MMA din, kaya galing ka mag-strike. Ayop ka Mark. Mark Itaas. Grabe. Highlights ka na naman. Mark.
Congratulations, Itaas!
Powcast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.